Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are going to talk about the latest course that I've put together, um, and this is the benefits of the course. So basically, the course focuses on institutional level and foundational level trading pretty well, which is options and futures. The history of this course came out of a UC Davis course. It's online, two versions of it. I took the earlier version of it and turned it into an actual course. Even this course should be anyone who's involved with money, trading, investing should learn this stuff. And a good chunk of this course is currently available for those that are not technical. So even if you're non-technical, you can learn it. But eventually, everything's going to be automated within the course, and this is where it's going to lead and the big benefits from it. So this right here is really more geared towards institutions. For next year in 2025, I will be only focusing on that in terms just from the perspective of the pricing side and the currency I've chosen, which is the British pound. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, so this course is about enhancing foundational and institutional trading strategies. So for anyone who's watching this that doesn't really understand about the programmatic benefits and the power of programmatic trading, there's a lot of big, huge pluses. Comes based around efficiency and opportunity again in futures and options. Is programmatic trading basically the real definition is automated execution of trading orders based on predefined algorithms and rules. So obviously the key components of this is complex sets of instructions for buying and selling and the different order types that are out there, be it market, limit, stop loss, etc. And also the risk management involved, built-in safeguards to control losses. This course actually covers that in areas that you most likely don't know, but this is where the smart money know and are using in their billion-dollar plus operations. So the question is, why are you not mimicking these patterns in which these large trading shops are using? Okay, so again, what are the benefits for the foundational and institutional traders using this? And again, this is really both targeted at retail and institutional or small retail, because I know you're all out there. So the enhanced efficiency and performance will give you faster execution, meaning reduced latency and improved speed for timely trades. Also will give you uh, increased accuracy, minimizes human error and emotional bias. That's a huge benefit from it. And it'll also improve order fulfillment, much higher chances of achieving desired outcomes. And the big one, as you grow, will become scalability, where you will be able to handle large orders in volume with ease. Okay, so this is another big critical that you'd learn in this course that I don't think you'll get elsewhere, because as I said, with the UC Davis course, it's pretty. I won't say primitive, but the concepts are where it was uh, used from was over 20, let's say 20 plus years ago. And it's been put on steroids and modernized on top of that with the full on content in this course, as is with no programming in it as it stands. So again, risk management and control, it helps you mitigate the risk and maximize control. You can get, and believe it or not, you can get predefined risk parameters. Obviously, to help you set your stop loss orders, position your limits, and other safeguards. Again, with the backtesting and optimization, with the testing of strategies on any historical data to identify potential weakness, along with real-time monitoring and adjustments. And again, that can all be done with automation. So it's continuously monitoring market conditions and adjusting strategies as needed. So the other one that this comes out of eventually as a membership, this is where it will lead into giving you access to advanced strategies, trading strategies. These are not bots. That's what the frat boys use. and that's how they define them. Bots. These are not bots. These are full-on strategies used by multi-billion dollar operations. So here's what you get. You get expanded trading horizons. There's a large focus on algorithmic trading strategies. The big ones, of course, are arbitrage, basically capitalizing on price discrepancies. Obviously, leading into high frequency trading, like where you can and should be able to exploit microsecond level market inefficiencies. It's a pay to play game. If you got the capital, you got the account size, you can definitely do it. The other one that's a big one is statistical arbitrage. So this helps you identify and exploit statistical relationships. In this course, as is, you can learn all that. The other big one that's a massive big one that the HFT shops don't want you to know about are a couple things here. Options. That's where a lot of these shops play in or invest in is option strategies. So we're talking covered calls and puts, more advanced ones that you are not using. And it also enables you to generate income while hedging positions. So that's kind of what they're doing. And that's all legal as well. The other one is with spreads, finding risk reward profiles and limiting potential losses. So knowing that, automating it, this is what you need to avoid. And again, as is with this course, which is, to be honest, is quite overwhelming, 26 uh, sections and more to come as it expands out. So yeah, there is a lot there in just as is. The other big thing that you get is the cost efficiency and operational improvements. Everything really comes down to account size. So the bigger the account, the lower your costs will be in terms of commissions and all that. So if you get streamlined operations, reducing costs, reduce transaction costs. So this will help you improve your order routing and minimize your slippage. Also, you'll get operational efficiency, automatic repetitive tasks, and free up your human resources. I think you're starting to see a big focus of that in this year, where a lot of shops, a lot of um, just general software businesses, online business are cutting technologists like left and right. Why? Because artificial intelligence can do the job better and more efficiently, and it can do it 24 hours and 7 days a week if it wanted. The other thing is you get improved capitalization utilization. So here is you're better able to provide into your strategies, into your account, more efficient capital allocation and highly improved risk management. Now, this is the other big one that is probably going to come later on. Is the technological advancements. So obviously, it's about leveraging your cutting edge technology. The big one that's the buzzy one right now, obviously, is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we're talking here predictive analytics, pattern recognition. That I think would be down the line because it's the complication of it. What we first need to focus is on foundational. Now, in terms of cloud computing, obviously enables you to have scalable infrastructure for high performance computing. Most people will probably go with the likes of Google, AWS, and Azure. I would go more with the boutique operations like the one I like a lot is Vultr, VULTR, Linode, and so on. They're just better, probably more expensive when you look at it, but when you look at it's a fixed cost. So then you get the big data analytics. Again, being able to operate like this, using big data analytics gives you the ability to process massive data sets. I can process right now, as is, just with stocks and equities, quite literally over 6,000 ETFs and stocks and be able to spit out the best performing probably within a couple hours with no human involvement. That's just the way it is right now. So here's the conclusion from this kind of foundational options futures trading course is the future of trading is, we all know, and it's currently is programmatic. So with programmatic trading, you get the offering of significant advantages for foundational institutional traders. And as I said, it includes retail traders. Where it gets difficult for retail traders because this becomes very, very expensive very fast. For anybody using it, you get your enhanced efficiency, risk management, and access to advanced strategies. Okay, and on top of that, there's evolving next year will be continuous innovation in the technology, which will drive further advancements. So this is what you need to do: is you need to look at it, look at the content, open your mind on the what's going to become available. We'll be exploring all the different programmatic trading solutions out there to unlock a lot of these new opportunities after this course goes live, building out the community and going from there. Because we have everything in place now on the new site at quantlabsnet.com. Over and out. Thank you.